Hi, this is Lee Casano here from paintingbusinessman.com. I have a manual called the Paint Like a Pro Estimating and Advertising System. It shows you how to make hundreds of dollars daily in your own painting business even this week. I can show you how to get all the free painting leads you need to stay busy all year long. It shows how to estimate all your jobs, interior, exterior, residential, commercial, etc. To find work, I use flyers for about an hour a day. I use flyers for about an hour a day until the phone starts ringing. Then I go do the estimate and I ask for a third down to get started. My flyer is time tested. It has gotten me lots and lots of jobs, made me thousands and thousands of dollars. It's yours to use for your own painting business to get customers when you order your copy of Paint Like a Pro. We go and set up, buy the paint, etc., and come back the next day and start. I usually work 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. And when I do an estimate, I use an estimate sheet that has my company letterhead and contact info. I will give a copy of the estimate to the homeowner right there and ask for a third down. I usually walk away with a check to get the job going, buy the paint and supplies, etc., and to be in the cash flow immediately. I can show you the best paint stores to use and why, the best coatings that are the fastest and easiest to use, the best brushes, etc. to buy. If I need a certain tool, I can rent it by the day or usually by the week and blend it into the estimate. I even do this with gasoline and time traveled on further away jobs. I have stayed busy for as long as 2 years at a time before needing to look for work again, and I can be up and running within a week's time. If it gets slow during the holidays, I can do commercial work from Christmas through New Year's if needed. I have done a lot of commercial work, interior and exterior. Some years I have stayed busy doing exterior jobs all summer. If you want to start a painting business or just improve the one you have, type in paintingbusinessman.com. Order today and also get a free copy of my fully illustrated How to Repair Drywall Like a Pro manual so that you can get some quality job related add-ons that can get you small $350 to $500 jobs or more that are usually only 1 to 3 days long, and you're not even there a full first day. Usually 1 short day and 2 to 3 stop backs for quick skim coats or for remudding. So order today at paintingbusinessman.com.